This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jesse Lermer. Captivating river views abound in this stunning Castile floor plan offering. The immaculate chef's kitchen is completely updated with gorgeous iced blanc quartz countertops and appliances featuring Wolf cooktop, double ovens and amp, warming drawers, a Sub-Zero wine cooler and amp, refrigerator, and a Fisher and amp, Paykel dishwasher and dish drawer. Meticulously maintained, this move-in ready, luxury residence includes an upgraded shiplap wall, grow fixtures, and amp, an expanded shower with a shaving ledge in the primary bath. Well-appointed, elegant light fixtures illuminate living spaces, while a gorgeous linear fireplace enhances the living room, reflecting impeccable taste. Plantation shutters, wood and amp, tile flooring accompany throughout. The enclosed lanai provides a spacious oasis, perfect for entertaining. Palmas del Sol, of Gulf Harbor Yacht and Amp, Country Club, is ideally located near the Sanibel and Amp, Captiva Island Causeway and Amp, Fort Myers Beach. An abundance of excellent dining options, great shopping, medical facilities, and SWFL International Airport are all close by. Gulf Harbor's private membership offers golf, tennis, a state-of-the-art fitness/wellness center and AMP, a world-class marina. For more information, review the details below or contact Jesse Lermer at 239-222-0772.